Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ANE on Samsung TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate ANE on your Samsung TV, start by turning on your device. Using your remote, press the home button to access the main menu. Navigate to the apps section on the screen. Search for the ANE app by typing its name in the search bar. Once you find the ANE app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Install button to download and install the app on your TV. After installation, return to the main menu and select the ANE app. Open the app, and you will be prompted to sign in. If you already have an ANE account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new one. Once signed in, you may need to activate the app. Look for an activation code displayed on the screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Visit the ANE activation website as indicated on your TV. Enter the activation code from your TV into the designated field on the website. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. After activation, return to your Samsung TV. You should now have full access to ANE content. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies on the ANE app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.